There is a foreigner who gave the What is your name? Huh? Mary Jane? How old are you? 9. Where are you from? Taga-asa ka? Tisa? This is sister? Your Where is your mother? Asa yung mag... Ha? Namasura? Getting some garbage. She said her mother getting some garbage. Pila nakakatuig diri sa kalsada dahil natug. She said she's living in the street for 9 years now, asking for some coins to survive. Pila edad sa imanghod? How old is your sister? 4 months? Hello! Inday! Oh! What's her name? Normal? Very good. Very guapa. Very beautiful. Manghatag kung paano mo day ha. Paano lang sa day ha. Kamando ha. Giving some bread. Salamat day ha. Salamat.